Hello, welcome to this channel Gain Java Knowledge. And today in Java coding practice session we are going to learn how to sort a string characters. For example, we have a string Java, and after sorting the output will be in sorting order, first A, second A, then J and V. This will be the output. Okay, let's start to write the code. First, what we will do? First, we will take input as string, and next step we will split this string into character of array. And then we will use arrays.sort function to sort the element, and in the next step we will combine all these array element into a string. Okay, let's start to write the code. So first I will open Eclipse, and here I will create a simple Java project. Java project name Java coding practice. Now here in this project I will create one class. Here the class name sort a string. Now here in this class I will declare a main method. Now I will send input as a string value. So here I have declared one string, that is Java. Now I will, as we know, first step we have declared the input as a string. Now we will split this string into character of arrays. For this we will do character of arrays is equal to input dot toChar array. Now our string will stored in form of character of array. Now we will use arrays dot sort function. And here we will pass ch. Now we will combine all the character of array into a string, new string, and here we will pass ch, and here we will see the response after sorting the array, sorting the string characters. Now I will run this Java application. Here you can see the response, that is sorted order string. Okay, thanks for watching this video.